Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Those perfectly crafted bites of creamy peanut butter wrapped in rich, smooth chocolate are more than just a favorite treat. They're a symbol of indulgence and comfort, loved by millions around the world. But did you know that every cup begins its journey in the fields where peanuts are grown and involves roasting, grinding, tempering, and even precise machinery to get that iconic balance of flavors? But first, like and subscribe so you can join Produce Planet and uncover the secrets behind your favorite snacks, starting with the unbelievable history of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups have humble beginnings. In 1928, Harry Burnett Reese, a former dairy farmer and candy factory worker, set out to create a new kind of candy. Working from his basement kitchen in Pennsylvania, Reese paired peanut butter, a relatively new pantry favorite, with chocolate, which was already a beloved treat. The result? A simple yet genius creation called penny cups, named for their affordable 1-cent price. During the Great Depression, these little candies were a luxury almost anyone could afford. The combination of sweet and salty flavors quickly gained a loyal following. In 1963, Reese's was acquired by the Hershey Company, which helped the brand grow into a global powerhouse. Today, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are sold in over 110 countries, generating billions of dollars annually. From the original cup to seasonal shapes and fun spin-offs, Reese's continues to reign supreme in the candy world. What makes Reese's Peanut Butter Cups so irresistible? It all starts with the ingredients. Reese's uses only the finest runner peanuts, sourced from farms in Georgia, Alabama, and other southern states. These peanuts are known for their consistent size, flavor, and high oil content, perfect for creating smooth, creamy peanut butter. The chocolate is just as carefully crafted. A blend of milk and dark chocolate gives Reese's its signature flavor, sweet, creamy, and just a little rich. Additives like cocoa butter and soy lecithin ensure the chocolate stays smooth and stable, even at room temperature. Here's a fun fact. It takes about 70 peanuts to make a single Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. And while the exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, it's rumored that a touch of vanilla and vegetable oil might also be a part of the magic. Now that we know what goes into Reese's, let's see how it all comes together. The first step is roasting and grinding the peanuts. The process kicks off with an impressive volume of peanuts, up to 18,000 pounds per hour, flowing onto automated conveyor belts. These belts lead the peanuts into industrial roasters, like the continuous belt roaster or fluidized bed roaster, which maintain precise temperatures around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. These machines use hot air circulation to ensure even roasting, preventing any burnt or under-roasted peanuts. Roasting is more than just heating. It chemically enhances the peanuts by releasing natural oils, intensifying their flavor, and achieving the ideal golden brown hue. Sophisticated temperature sensors and automated controls ensure uniformity across batches. Once roasted, the peanuts are rapidly cooled using forced air systems to halt the roasting process and lock in the flavor. Then they're fed into high-capacity shelling machines, which use centrifugal force and vibrating sieves to separate the peanut kernels from their shells. The shells are collected and repurposed as biomass fuel or animal feed, aligning with the company's commitment to sustainability. The roasted peanuts then move to powerful grinders, such as colloid mills, which pulverize them into a fine paste. This stage involves high-speed rotating discs that shear and emulsify the peanuts into ultra-smooth peanut butter. The paste is then blended with sugar, salt, and a few secret ingredients in large mixing tanks equipped with rotating paddles. The result is a creamy, slightly sweet peanut butter that is stored in stainless steel vats, awaiting its role in the iconic Reese's Cups. The next step is tempering the chocolate. Simultaneously, the chocolate begins its transformation. Large industrial vats, such as melters with agitators, are used to combine milk and dark chocolate with cocoa butter and other stabilizers. The chocolate is melted down to the perfect viscosity for production. Tempering, a critical step, involves gradually heating and cooling the chocolate in controlled stages. Machines like continuous tempering units precisely manage these temperature shifts, ensuring the chocolate crystals align in a stable structure. This process is vital for achieving the glossy finish and satisfying snap that Reese's is known for. Tempered chocolate is then stored in heated, insulated tanks with agitation mechanisms to maintain its fluid consistency. This ensures the chocolate is ready for flawless application during the molding process. It's now time to form the base layer. Next, it's time to give Reese's peanut butter cups their iconic shape. The molds, long trays with hundreds of shallow, cup-shaped indentations, are moved along a conveyor belt. A highly precise depositing machine pours a measured amount of tempered chocolate into each mold. This chocolate is spread evenly using vibrating mechanisms attached to the conveyor belt. The molds then enter a cooling tunnel where chilled air circulates to solidify the chocolate base within minutes. This stage is crucial. The cooled base layer must be strong enough to hold the peanut butter filling without cracking, but not so rigid that it becomes brittle during subsequent steps. Advanced monitoring systems ensure consistency in thickness and texture across thousands of molds. But how do they end up filling the cups? Once the chocolate base is ready, the peanut butter filling is important again. Stainless steel hoppers equipped with multi-nozzle depositor heads dispense the creamy filling into each mold. These machines are calibrated to deliver the exact amount needed, ensuring every cup has the perfect chocolate to peanut butter ratio. The filling process is monitored by real-time sensors that check for uniformity in weight and texture. Too much or too little peanut butter could compromise the balance that makes Reese's so satisfying. The peanut butter filling, rich and velvety, sits snugly in the chocolate shell, ready for its final chocolate covering. It's time to finally get that peanut butter cup ready. So how do they do it? A second depositing machine pumps a continuous stream of tempered chocolate over the peanut butter-filled molds. The chocolate is directed through precision dispensing systems to ensure complete coverage of the filling. Vibrating platforms gently shake the molds to spread the chocolate evenly, eliminating air bubbles and creating a seamless layer. Excess chocolate is scraped away, using edge-leveling systems, leaving a smooth and glossy surface. At this stage, the cups are unmistakably Reese's, but they still need a little more care before they're ready to hit the shelves. This brings us to the next step. The nearly finished cups travel through a long cooling tunnel where controlled temperatures gradually solidify the chocolate. This tunnel, equipped with automated conveyor belts and chilled air circulation, ensures that the cups cool evenly without cracking or warping. The cooling stage is essential for achieving Reese's signature texture, firm enough to hold its shape, but soft enough to melt in your mouth. Sensors along the tunnel monitor the temperature and airflow to maintain optimal cooling conditions. By the time the cups exit the tunnel, they're solid, glossy, and ready for the final step, packaging. Isn't that impressive? Before packaging begins, every Reese's peanut butter cup undergoes rigorous quality control. High-speed cameras and visual inspection systems check for imperfections, such as uneven fillings, air pockets, or double wrappers. Any defective cups are removed and recycled where possible. The flawless cups are then fed into an automated wrapping machine where they're individually wrapped in the iconic orange foil with bold yellow lettering. This machine can wrap up to 800 cups per minute, ensuring efficiency without compromising quality. Finally, the wrapped cups are packed into cartons by robotic arms. These cartons are then stacked onto pallets and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, awaiting shipment to stores around the world. But it's also important to be aware of the people behind the processes. While machines handle much of the production, Reese's factories rely on the expertise of their employees to keep everything running smoothly. Many workers have been with the company for decades, bringing invaluable experience to tasks like quality control and packaging. Some jobs, like ensuring the proper placement of cup papers, still require a human touch. It's this combination of advanced technology and skilled workers that makes Reese's so exceptional. Reese's isn't just focused on making delicious candy, they're also committed to sustainability. The company partners with farmers who practice crop rotation and reduce tillage, methods that protect soil health and reduce environmental impact. In their factories, energy-efficient equipment is used for tasks like roasting and grinding, helping to lower overall energy consumption. And let's not forget the peanut shells. They're repurposed as biomass fuel or animal feed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. These efforts reflect Reese's dedication to creating a more sustainable future while continuing to produce the treats we love. But not many people know these fun facts about the candy. Did you know that Reese's produces over 40 million cups every single day? That's enough to stretch around the world. The production process has remained largely unchanged since the 1920s, proving that Harry Reese's original formula was truly timeless. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are the top-selling candy in the United States, beating out other fan favorites like Snickers and Kit Kats. From Harry Reese's humble basement experiments to the high-tech factories of today, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are a testament to creativity, craftsmanship, and a love of good food. Every step of the process, from roasting peanuts to wrapping the final product, is carried out with precision and care to deliver the perfect snack. The next time you unwrap a Reese's, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. It's more than just candy. It's a story of innovation, sustainability, and the enduring magic of peanut butter and chocolate. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. If you enjoyed learning about how Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are made, make sure to check out our next video for some unbelievable factory processes.